Good morning, my name is Jolene Lang, and today I will be presenting perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. I will use a rectangle for this example. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 right angles, and the opposite sides of the rectangle are parallel and equal to each other. Let's just say side AB is equal to 5 and side AC is equal to 3. So the perimeter of the rectangle is going to be the sum of the lengths of each side. Since the opposite sides are equal, AC equals to BD and AB equals to CD. The perimeter would be 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, which equals to 16. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. For example, if the perimeter of a square was 24, then each side would be 6, because there are 4 congruent sides, so you just divide 24 by 4. Area. Area is how much space the shape takes up in two-dimensional space. It's like how many 1 by 1 squares you can fit into a shape. Back to the rectangle example I used earlier. The area of the rectangle ABDC is equal to the number of 1 by 1 squares we can fit on the rectangle. So there are 5 this way and 3 that way. I could just count the 1 by 1 units or multiply the 2 dimension or sides, 5 and 3, and I'll get 15. With the square, since both sides or dimensions are the same, you just square the side. If the side was 4, then the square's area would be 16. Thank you for listening.